Hello guys, how you doing? This is Anmol here from Tech 911 and today I'm going to solve the most basic problem which we face in Windows 10, which is the 100% disk usage problem. So if you open your task manager, you'll see the disk option here. Generally it goes to 100% without using any program at times, and you are stuck with a slow PC, and this problem is enough to irritate you for the whole day. So I've took out some time to show you how to solve this problem. So let's get started. What is disk space? Disk space is the internal memory which your laptop uses to keep the PC running, and basically it's the internal memory used by PC. You might be using a mobile phones. If the internal space gets full, so the phone will lag. Although you might be having some memory card in it or something like that, but still if the internal memory gets full, the phone will lag. So the next question arises that your internal memory is not full. There is a lot of free capacity over there. As you can see in my PC as well, I have a lot of capacity in my PC, but I still had this problem. So the problem is not with the free space, but the uh, way of Windows handling the problem. So, so you might have uh, heard of this thing with Windows updates, which consumes a lot of disk space. And if you disable Windows updates, will be able to see a lower disk percentage usage in the task manager. But I've tried everything to disable Windows. I've cleared the registry. I have disabled it from the services menu. I have paused the updates, but nothing works. Once I restart my PC after 2 to 3 days, it will automatically start, and every time I start Windows, I have to go to services and disable it. So let's come down to that app which I mentioned earlier. So there's a app called WizTree, which will help in basically the disk cleanup of your uh, hard drive. So I've opened the app right now. Here it is mentioned WizTree. You have to just select the drive which you have to clean and scan. So once you're done with the scan, it will pop up all the folders which are in your local disk. And this is the it is scanning everything. It will show me in a very good format through which I can access only those folders which I have to delete. So here's the presentation. So here's a green block here. The maximum which the files are consuming are right here. This orange area is basically which is slowing down my PC. So what I'll do is just click on that. So these are photos of very high resolution. So I'll move into some different local disk once I understand that these are the files which are slowing the PC down. And also there are some blocks over here, the green block, which I suppose is a system file which I cannot delete. And then I have to click on maybe ping. This is also system file. So only I have to move the orange part into some other local disk, and I can free up some space in local disk C. So you can use this as step one of uh, cleaning up your PC and fastening your Windows. Now let's come up to the second thing which you can do. So you have to just go to Windows C properties, and then you have to click on disk cleanup, and it will start calculating and start cleaning up your local disk C. You have to clearly click on these two things: temporary internet files and downloaded program files, and click on OK, and you have to delete these files, and the cleaning up will begin. And yes, so this removes all the temporary files which are stored onto your PC and create a problem. The last and the best option to deal with a slow Windows 10 due to disk space is the storage sense setting in Windows. You have to go into settings, in system, and then storage, and you just have to turn on the storage sense button right here. So what Windows will do is automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin, and most of your problem will be solved. I was not able to use applications like AutoCAD, Revit, and heavy apps like Photoshop, um, and various heavy apps. But after I did this thing, and also my Windows update is still running, and you cannot stop it in any way. I did this, and all of the apps started working normally, and most of the problems got sorted. If you have any other issue, please leave it down in the comment section. And if you think this didn't work, please leave it down in the comment section so you can find something else which can work on your PC. Thanks, guys. This is Anmol signing off from Tech 911. Bye.